All right, now we're going to talk about arithmetic and geometric sequences. So an arithmetic sequence is a sequence where each term differs by a common difference. It's going to have a recursive definition. In order to find the common difference, we take a term, multiply, and subtract the term before it from it. So 5 minus 2. So here we can have recursive definitions and a closed definition. So let's find both of those for this. So the first thing we need to do is figure out the difference. So here I have 5 minus 2, which is 3. I'm going to check a couple more. 8 minus 5 is 3. 11 minus 8 is 3. So this is an arithmetic sequence. That means our common difference is 3. So in this case, to do the recursive definition, I have a sub n is a sub n minus 1 plus d, and a sub 0 is 2. For this one, I want to find my common difference. Let's do the closed definition first. Here I would have a sub n is 2 plus my difference, 3 times n. And both of these will give you the correct sequence. Now for this example, our numbers are shrinking. If I have 43 minus 50, that gives me negative 7. 36 minus 43, negative 7. So our common difference here is negative 7, and our initial term is 50. So I have, for my recursive formula, a sub n is a sub n minus 1 minus 7, with our first term being 50. And for our closed definition, I have a sub n is 50 minus 7 times n. A geometric sequence is terms that differ by a common ratio, okay? And we call these sequences geometric sequences. It can have a recursive definition. It can also have a closed definition. So let's find the recursive and closed definition. So for number 1, what's our common ratio? Well, one way to find it is to take the second term divided by the first term. So I have 6 minus 3 gives me 2. 12 minus 6 gives me 2. 24 divided by 12 gives me 2. So here our common ratio is 2. So for my recursive formula, a sub n is a sub n minus 1 times 2. For my closed formula, I have a sub n is 3 times 2 to the n. Next, here I have another sequence. So I take 9 minus 27, that gives me 1/3. 3 divided by 9, that gives me 1/3. So here my common ratio is a fraction. So I have a sub n is a sub n minus 1 times 1/3, or I have a sub n equals a, which is 27 times my ratio 1/3 to the n.